Guten Tag zusammen. Ich bin Dr. Franz Lang, and I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations, not just in German, but in many other languages as well. In German, the native language of this electrical engineering company, its name is pronounced
WAGO. WAGO.
The initial letter W is pronounced with a V sound, and both vowels are drawn out long and clear.
WAGO. WAGO. WAGO.
All right. If you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Find more on upronounce.it. Tschüss.